The biggest difference between human talent and generative AI may just be availability. Because with new tools like Cibola-8, it is possible for everybody to make use of his full creative potential in the process of preparing adventures for your favorite virtual tabletop on Foundry. And with our latest update, we now combine this accessibility with the power of a strong community to change your workflows and level your results. I'm sure you will love that, so let me show you what it's all about. And to do so, I already generated a scene. I called it Castle Red, and I click on it to enter the main Cibola editing window. Until today, you had two options to go from this point. You could either upload an image or generate a new one with Cibola-8. Now, as you see, there's a third button available right in the middle, and this will open your gallery. And having a gallery is already a game changer on its own, because here you now find all the images you generated while using Cibola, and that means that you could reuse images that were not fitting the circumstances once you created them. So for my castle, for example, I can pick an image I generated a few days ago, but I needed a different view, so it was a beautiful image, but I couldn't use it. Now is the time. Let me save this. And I'm already done selecting an image. So this is the first thing, but now let me show you what's even better. Because if you go to gallery, you now also have the option to share your image. So let's say this one is an image that I like and I want to make it public to the community. Then I can click the share with others button and it will now show up in a community gallery that you can also access from this window. So if I click on that, I now have access to all the images that other Cibola users generated and shared. And this is really great because maybe you will find something you really like and you just have to click on it to use it in your adventure. But also you can use those images to generate with them. So you can work with those images, do some variants of it, modify stuff, fit it to your needs, save it and share it again. So I hope you will really make extensive use of that function, because this really has the potential to build a huge library and stock gallery with everything you need. To make this more accessible to you, we also added an AI search. This means that all the images are checked by an artificial intelligence. They were categorized and put it into different folders so they're easily findable. You can, for example, search for a woman with black hair or whatever you want. This process is still learning because we do not have the many entries that we need to fully train the AI, but with your help this will get better and better soon, and it's already working now. I can show you. So here he brings the results, and then as there are not as many images of women with black hair, it fills the rest with the other images. But here are our first results. All of them are women with black hair, and I can now pick one of those images to add it to a character. In this case, I will go for the castle now. Save this castle, and I will show you how we can work with images from other users in our characters page. And here I have a vampire guard, and if I want to give this guard image, I can enter the Cibola window, open the gallery, go to the community gallery and pick an image that I like from the overall view. So let's go with this lady, and now I add that to my Cibola editing window and turn it into a vampire guard, let's say. So I use the sketch function, I copy the structure and I call it a vampire guard. Then I generate the image. And here he is, beautiful image, same style as the one before. And of course you can do variants of that, for example, by using the structure only, or use it as a general sketch. If you maybe want to change the style of the painting, you could go for sketch and say a vampire guard as well. I generate this. And here is the second style. So as you see now, I used this community image, generated two variants of it. Of course, now I can go to the gallery, I can click on this and share it with the community as well. And this is how together we can build an amazing library of pre-made assets for every virtual tabletop available. I wish you a lot of fun and success doing that, and see you in the next video.